This is our 7,000 square foot building. This was $30,000. This is worth over $40,000. These are worth over $60,000. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tour of my office. That door is where the truck comes in to deliver all these boxes of t-shirts. Fair warning, this place is pretty messy, but that's what happens when you're so busy. This is the embroidery area where we do cool things like this. All that stuff gets produced here. These machines are brand new. When you order something embroidered, it comes to this computer, and whoever's working that day will download the designs and put it into the machines. This shelf here is super messy and depressing, but it's where all our threads are. We have over 100 colors. These are our single heads, so for sleeves and one-off items. By the way, if you're struggling to get more clients, get more leads, and make more money, book a call down below. We're starting a new company called Ink Launch, and we're here to see if we can help other shops get more clients and build a bigger business. So in there are all the threads, but over here is all the ink. So right here is the money maker. This is an MNR Diamondback, so this machine can print up to 600 shirts an hour. Air compressor is over there. This air compressor shoots air into the machine here and runs the machine around. This is our dryer that dries all our t-shirts after we print them over here. So we print them here, throw them on the belt, it goes through and gets caught by this dog cage. This starts the assembly line. Right here, we stack the shirts. As the orders come in the morning, we stack all the shirts here. We have two guys working on that machine, one guy on this machine. They print the shirts through this dryer. The shirts come out and they land in this box. And then we have another guy working who collects the shirts, puts them on this table, checks for quality, and then folds them and puts them in a box, and then we ship them out. This area is the DTF area, the direct to film department, where we print stuff like this transfer. This is our main industrial 48-inch printer that prints huge transfers, whereas this one over here is our smaller one. This one over here only prints 24-inch transfers. Again, transfers are these things. All you need is an iron to print these on a shirt. This is actually how I started printing t-shirts. So I've used hundreds of different heat presses, and I like this one the most because while you print this, you can put the shirt here, you can press this button and put the next shirt on here. All at the same time, you don't have to press the shirt yourself. This automatically goes down, and it also holds really, really good pressure. This is our direct-to-transfer printer. This is the main one we use. We just moved here, so we didn't install the exhaust yet. But this is how it works. The transfers get printed here. It slides down, goes to here where it gets a lot of powder, goes through the oven, and then on the other end, you get something like this. Is our break room, where we have two chairs and a TV. This place is pretty cool. It has an upstairs. This is actually my favorite area to hang out because I can look out over the balcony and see all the hard work that we developed over the years. Another service that we provide here is print-on-demand fulfillment. We work for some of the largest brands on Instagram, but since we are their blind fulfillment, we can't tell you who they are. But how it works is that they get orders on their website, and then we print them. They don't have to worry about inventory, and they don't have to worry about printing. Eventually, we want to offer this to anybody, but today we only work with people who have large followings and big brands. This is the most depressing break room in America, and you can sit here, eat your meal, eat your lunch, and question why you chose to print t-shirts for a living. More importantly, we have donuts for you to enjoy, but most employees, they don't get breaks here. They're working all. This is our dark room, where we produce all our screens on our tri-lock system, so that we can register our colors really quick on our presses. Oh, by the way, I was just joking about the employees, kind of, but this is where most of them actually hang out. So over here we have a cool gaming system that they can play on, but nobody uses because they just sit on their phones. This is our display shelf where our corporate clients can come in here and feel the different materials, see what we can produce, and also enjoy a nice conversation with us while we answer all their questions about t-shirts. This frame right here has all the gilding colors. We line them up really nice so that when people come in here, they can take a look and see exactly what color they're gonna get. By the way, if you're struggling to get customers, I just started a new company called Ink Launch, where we do marketing for you. We'll generate all your leads, and you only pay if we pay for ourselves. So it's 100% pay on performance basis. If you're interested in this, all you have to do is book a call down below, and we'll do a free strategy session. See how we can help, and if we can partner together, we're gonna grow your business in a way that you never expected before.
Starting today and starting forever, we're going to start posting a lot more videos. So please subscribe, and I'll share you all the secrets Seriously, I'm gonna tell you everything I did to get more customers. And if you want to learn how, just subscribe. All right. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time.